So guys, I've made progress so far. As you can see, this side and this side, I have a little bit left in front here, and the back I'm not done yet. Whew. So once I have this section, I'm going to spray it on some water, and oh, this is a mixture of water and then curl keeper or curl control or something that will make the curl last, or the coil last longer for me. So that's what I'm using to spray it on here. Trying to wet the hair, not really wet, but dampen it a little bit because it's dry. And then I'm going to add on some Eco Styler gel here in coconut oil. Not too much, just a little bit. And then we're gonna start twisting or curling this hair. So I'm working in sections, like smaller pieces. So what you need to do is twist the roots like this, okay? And then once using this thumb to twist, you use this thumb to hold it so that it doesn't unravel. And then we begin twisting like this. Just keep twisting, and then you go to go. So there's no special method to this style, guys. So as you can see me doing here, I'm just twisting, and then when I let go, it curls. So guys, I'm done with the hairstyle. As you can see, I just went ahead to do some makeup to give your girl a glow before I continue the rest of the video. So this is how it looks like untouched. I haven't touched this hair, I only did my edges, and that was it. Maybe I might later on go and then maybe unravel some of them to make it a little bit full, but other than that, like, I love this look, guys. I really love it, and I don't regret doing this, okay? I don't regret, even though I spent 6 hours to do this thing. Yes, 6 good hours, and my arms and back hurt so badly. I need to finish this video and go take some nap. So to continue, I'm gonna use this olive oil hairspray to give it kind of like a shine, yeah. So I'm going to spray some on. And then I'm going to wrap my fingers through. like so. Oh my gosh, these curls are so beautiful. Like, this is a close-up of the curls. It looks like sister locks. Yeah, comment down below if you think it looks like sister locks, because I feel like they look like sister locks. So that'll be all for this hairstyle, guys. Let me know if you found this video helpful by giving it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also leave any comments or suggestions in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure to attend to that. Okay, all products used and other tools that I used will be listed in the description section, so make sure you check it out. Also follow my business pages at Everglow Makeover and Everglow Hair. I'll leave both handles in the description so you guys can check me out. All right, so until next week, stay fab, stay beautiful, and keep glowing. Bye guys.